And then definitely still like gold longer term. It's one of the best places to be this year. One of our best long ideas, and still haven't even returned to prime time on the gold market as far as the longer term bull run. We're still been largely sideways. All that changes if you get a monthly, weekly close above 1400. This monthly cycle is still coming up, but we've had a pretty good run since the fall. Your weekly, we're still on pace here, probably to test that 1350, I would think, this week. It could be there pretty quickly. This is all intermediate term and long-term bullish. Daily cycle is pretty high coming into today. That's why you're seeing a little bit of a pullback. The 8s down here at 1312. So we took some profit into this move and now just started nibbling here today. But definitely want to be a buyer on this daily cycle as it comes back down. That's if we don't hold the 8. We could just as easily hold the 8 here and be right back up. So still core long. This is the first spot to add. And then if we get a daily cycle back towards 1300 or 1290, that's even better. Get even to buy even more. And then silver, I do want to start trading a little bit more. Today was the first day that I've traded it forever. And so when it backs up, same thinking there, like the precious metals. This was pretty good spot this morning. We were plugged right in here to the 200, right in front of pi. So I like being core long there, or just pick your spots on the 15-minute and 30-minute. This is probably another spot to add right now. 15-minute cycles coming down. You probably see some follow through on that into the Asia session. And then if you really wanted to get fancy, because we still like growth slowing, you could sell copper on rallies. It's actually up today also. But if we're going to come back into this 280, 285 zone, that'll be key for another, it's just another market that we need to pay attention to as far as the risk on. The riskier assets, I just don't see that one breaking out either. But anything can happen. If we were to see that break out and stocks start to break the weekly lower highs and then something's changing, that's definitely not my call yet.